Hey guys, today I am going to try out a technique. I've actually tried it before, but the video that I was trying to get up malfunctioned, so I'm going to go ahead and do another one real quick to show you guys something that I thought of. I haven't seen anybody use an apple slicer before, so I thought that would be a great tool to use for pouring because it has like a natural floral pattern. And this way you could like skip it, so that way you could do like a color in here and then leave it white and then a color in there. But for today, what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to fill it with leftover paint because I've been trying so many different paintings and I am just having so much leftover paint. So I need to do something with it, and I figured this would be perfect. So I'm just going to swirl it in there and then do a different color for the center. So we'll see how this goes. And in my first video, I did all different colors in each thing. So we'll see what it's like now that I'm using the same kind of pattern in the cup for all of these little slices or slots. And then for the center, I'm going to use a little bit of my leftover soulmate. You can see it's kind of split down the middle right there. It's a little thick because it's kind of old, but I think it'll go well with this. I'm going to swirl it. All right. Whew. I'm curious to see how this will turn out. Let me get my torch real quick so I can get out any air bubbles. All right, and then I'm just gonna lift this pretty slowly. Gently. All right, so not a lot of separation, but kind of, you can sort of see the line in between. So maybe next time if I go ahead and do it like every other slice like I was talking about, I think what I can do right now is just go ahead and accentuate these lines that are already there. All right, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a spin. Oh, okay, that's kind of cool now that it's like opening up and separating out. That looks really cool. All right, I don't want to mess with it too much, and I'm liking what I have so far, so I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up, and now you guys have a new little pour to give you cool, easy, simple flower. All right, let me bring you in. Okay, I'm really loving this leftover paint. It's such like a cool, like just mixture of everything. So I know that there had to have been some stuff with silicone in it, but look at all those colors. That is so cool. I really love this, and I almost wish I had left the center white because I think that would have been really cool. But I hope you guys enjoyed this new technique, and give it a try and let me see your results. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.